drone warfare is changing the battlefield faster than almost any other military technology. Around the world, armed forces are facing a growing mix of unmanned aerial threats, from large and sophisticated military drones to small commercial quadcopters that can be modified for attack missions. This creates a major challenge because not every drone poses the same level of threat, and using expensive air defense weapons against low-cost drones is often impractical. Military planners now recognize that no single defense system can handle every type of drone. Instead, modern forces are moving toward a layered defense strategy, where different technologies work together to detect, track, and stop a wide range of aerial threats. The goal is to provide effective protection while keeping costs under control. To help address this challenge, L3Harris Technologies has developed a new capability called Wraith Shield. Rather than requiring entirely new hardware, the system transforms existing tactical radios already used by US, NATO, Five Eyes, and allied forces into AI-powered platforms capable of sensing and responding to drone threats. This means equipment already carried by troops could soon play a key role in defending against small drone attacks. The technology builds on the company's Wraith waveform, a communication system originally designed to operate in environments where electronic warfare and signal interference are major concerns. After seeing the growing threat posed by small commercial drones, engineers expanded the concept and created Wraith Shield as a software upgrade that adds drone detection and protection capabilities. The first deployment will be on the RF98200S Compact Team Radio, also known as the AN/PR-C171, along with its embeddable variant. In the future, the software is expected to be available across a much larger family of Wraith-compatible radios, already fielded by military forces around the world. Since more than 100,000 compatible systems are already in service, the upgrade could potentially reach a large number of users without requiring new radio purchases. One of the most interesting aspects of Wraith Shield is its ability to turn radios into sensors. Using artificial intelligence and radio frequency monitoring, the system can detect signals associated with drones operating nearby. This creates a distributed network of sensors that can share information across military networks and improve situational awareness for troops on the ground. The system is designed to work on its own against drones that rely on commercial control links, but it can also be integrated into larger counter-drone networks. In that role, Wraith Shield can focus on smaller drone threats, while more advanced air defense systems engage larger or more complex targets. This layered approach allows military units to match the right defensive tool to the right threat. To enhance the system even further, L3Harris partnered with DataShapes AI to create software that helps visualize activity in the electromagnetic spectrum. The platform analyzes radio frequency data collected by connected devices and converts it into real-time intelligence. Soldiers can then view potential threats through an easy-to-understand interface, helping them quickly identify and respond to drones operating overhead. Because the processing happens at the tactical edge, troops can detect and classify threats without relying heavily on centralized infrastructure. This can be especially valuable in combat environments, where communication networks may be disrupted or contested. When combined with Wraith-capable radios and AI-driven software, Wraith Shield creates a distributed sensing and protection network that can feed information into larger command and control systems. The result is a new approach to counter-drone operations that uses equipment already in the field to provide both communications and battlefield awareness. As drone threats continue to evolve, technologies like Wraith Shield show how military forces are adapting. By transforming everyday tactical radios into intelligent sensing platforms, the system aims to give troops another layer of protection while helping them stay connected and informed in increasingly complex combat environments.